Hi girls! Today I'm starting 2 weeks Swiss ball abs toning workout. Why Swiss ball? Swiss ball is very effective for targeting your core muscles. We will be doing circuit of 3 exercises, and you need to have Swiss ball, and you're going to do 3 rounds, and between each round you will have 10 seconds break. Let's start. Exercise number 1, Swiss ball sit-ups. Sit on top of the ball and from this position roll out until your upper back and lower back on the ball. Watch me. Lift your hips up, bring your hands behind your head and extend them. Palms put together, and from this position you'll be curling up and down. Exhale up, inhale down. Control your arms. I don't want your arms go all over the place, like this for example. Okay, so they have to be staying right next to your ears. So watch me and back. Exhale as you coming up, inhale back. Don't forget about your arms, engage your abs and up. You have to do 20 reps of this exercise. Beginner modification, exercise number 1. Roll out, keep your upper and lower back on the ball. Bring your arms behind your ears, not extend them fully in the back, just bring behind the ears, your elbow bended, and from this position you will be coming up as high as you can. Exhale up, inhale back. Also complete 15 to 20 reps. Exercise number 2, Swiss ball core climbers. You will be doing 30 reps of this exercise. Place your elbow on the Swiss ball and from this position bring your hips up, stay on your toes, and you will be bringing one leg at the time under your chest. Control your balance, breathe, keep your back straight, no sagging, no rounding. Complete 30 rounds and you will be moving the last exercise. Beginner modification, exercise number 2. Place your elbow on the center of the Swiss ball and from this position you will be lifting your hips up and hold it like a plank for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. If you can hold more, just hold more as long as you can. You can hold maximum 30 seconds and go down. Again, hold it as long as you can and go down. Maximum you can hold 30 seconds to 1 minute and then move to last exercise. Exercise number 3, Swiss ball alternating leg lift. This is really tricky exercise because you have to balance all your body to raise one leg at the time. Sit on the ball and from this position roll out until your upper back and lower back on the ball, on top of the ball. Bring your arms behind your ears, open up your arms, your eyes pointing up to the sky and chin up, and from this position you'll be balancing yourself and raising one leg at the time. So watch me. Exhale as you raise, inhale down. You have to complete 30 reps of this exercise. Keep your balance, engage your abs, Make sure that your shoulders off the ball and raise. Make sure your chin away from chest and keep doing toward the reps. Beginner modification exercise 3. Roll out and go as low as you can, almost like a sitting position. You can place your arms on the sides of the ball, and from this position hold yourself and extend one leg at the time out by keeping your balance as well. Squeeze your abs and extend your legs. If it's too easy, then bring your legs higher. So complete 30 reps and you will be done. Follow this workout at least 4 days a week. And now we are starting our workout. complete first week of my Swiss ball abs toning workout. Go to my tiktokfit.com, check my previous workout, also check my recipes and nutrition tips, and I will be so happy to see you next week with my new Swiss ball toning abs workout. Bye guys!